to my YouTube channel. My name is Ilati. Today I'm at my grandma's house. I'm gonna spend the day here. So I'm gonna show you what we're doing. So first I'm gonna give you a tour of the garden. So let's begin. So these are the maize. They haven't yet grown yet, but they're gonna grow very tall. These are the Chinese cabbages. They're very tasty. They're my second favorite vegetable. Oh, this is my brother, and he just loves to follow me everywhere. So don't mind it. So these are cassava leaves. In our language, we call it katapa. These are the tomatoes. They haven't grown yet, but they'll soon grow very tall. Yeah. Are the green beans, and they're also growing a little bit. So, this is the end of our tour, and the one who's taking the video is my uncle.
Okay, yeah, that's me. But you can't see me because I'm behind the camera.
These are my brothers. Hi. This is my little sister.
Hi.
So now I'm gonna show you one of the things that we do at my grandmother's place, the farm. So let's begin. So this is my mom, and we're pounding katapa. So now we're gonna make something very delicious out of this. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So you have to get this big, very heavy stick. And this is my grandmother. And we're heading inside my grandmother's house. And this is my grandfather. Say hi. Cannot say hi.
Where is it?
Yeah, I'm scared though.
Okay, let me see.
Right now, he is a bit busy. Say hi.
Okay, let me say hi.
It's taking you.
Oh,
Yeah, just wave.
hi. How are you? How are you? I'm Ilati's grandpa.
Hey, they said they're fine.
Yeah, I'm Carol's, Rain, Ilati, and Janice's grandpa.
And also
Hi.
Fale.
And Fales.